I understand you trade various markets as well. What instruments are in there, and what would your favorite one be between instruments and asset classes?
Well, I trade different markets, and I always try to find market that is ready for significant rally or decline. So I like to use a mix of fundamental and technical analysis, where I view fundamental analysis as the course for coming rally or decline. And technical analysis is just as a tool to find an actual entry point. And talking about my favorite market, well, I think it's agriculture sector, sugar, wheat, corn, because when those markets have a good setup, they usually play it very well. And they are more supply and demand driven, actually, less speculative, I must say. So, and I have something like 3 groups of markets. It's my division of and my view of those groups based on the tools I am using as a tool to forecast the next price. So, for example, for commodities, I use commitment of trader report, cycle, intermarket forecast, premium, I mean backwardation market if any, and seasonal, because for commodities, seasonality matters because of harvest and so on. And for financial futures, and especially for currencies, I use cycles, I use interest rates forecast, I use Fed funds forecast as well as for equities. And for stock indexes, I like to use also insider accumulation, which is just an amazing tool, and advanced decline line. I know it sounds like an old school advanced decline line, but it still works, especially if you combine with other tools.
What is the advanced decline line?
Advanced decline line is an indicator that shows how much stocks in this stock index are actually falling or rising. So it helps you to find a divergence between S&P 500, for example, and the stocks in S&P 500, because sometimes we have situations when S&P 500 is hitting new highs, but advanced decline line, which means most of the stocks in this index are not following. So we have bearish divergence, and that is a sign this breakup is false breakup. And if insider accumulation, for example, is given the same signal, it's a great signal to look for shorts in this market, and the opposite is valid for long.